Our next stop is the Aztek Ruins National Park in New Mexico. So we got a national park pass, but we're getting our sticker. The lady inside said just bring in your registration and show your driver's license and you can get the sticker for the Jeep.
This is your official decal as well.
Alright.
And that's specifically for places where there might not be a park ranger to check your pass when you come in, but they ask you, everybody else, put your money in an Iron Ranger and it gives you a receipt to put on your dash.
Yeah.
Yes, this will still get you in those places because otherwise you'd have to leave your card on your dash to get in for free and somebody will steal it.
It's a 900-year-old Pueblo great house.
Jerk.
It's like a gutter collecting water. There are over 400 rooms here.
Oh,
yeah.
A mat of willows sewn with yucca cord. It's still in the location the inhabitants left it in over 800 years ago. You can talk about your neighbors here, huh?
I don't know, they're pretty thick
My
walls.
grandmother wouldn't make it.
Yeah.
Look up at the ceilings in 13. Oh, here we go. Oh, and look in the
Oh,
window.
that's how they did it. All the rooms didn't have a window. I looked.
The large beams, or vigas, are made of Wylie space oak, Douglas fir, and ponderosa pine. The overlying smaller beams, or latilas, are made of aspen or pine.
Obi Tiwa Ute. What's a Ute? Yeah, I know. I already used that one.
Jemez is in here somewhere. You've got the Sandus thing over here next to Albuquerque, right? So we were heading like this.
Heading up into that mountain. Aztek, New Mexico.
Jemez.
Jemez, right. Cool. Good Jeep. Oh, look at that rock structure.
Yeah, that's all that's left.
Thanks for this hidden gem, Patrick. I'm going to send him a key fob when I get home. One of my subscribers showed me a cool little spot. Oh, fresh breaking rocks. That's neat. Getting 18.9 miles per gallon now. No, it was broken before. Oh yeah, there it is, look. It's like an old western tunnel. Look at this. There's like, it's just a cutout. There's actually no structure underneath it.
You've arrived.
Alright, I know I did.
Wow.
Just had lunch. Those roads closed. Back through the tunnels. The road to the north was closed off. I would have loved to take the Jeep on that. That was a cool little spot for lunch. Now we're on our way to Sandia Peak Tramway.
Hear that?
Rock stuck in the tire.
Must be. Sounds like a ping pong ball.
Should be coming around when she goes.
Yeah, don't make sure you go around the mountain.
For the mountain folk will meet her, they will all be down to greet her. She don't want no city slicker, just a man who holds his liquor. She'll be